So what's up? It's Camden. It is right about the time of sunset, February 17, 2015. This tonight marks the 4th year anniversary of my near-death, out-of-body experience, because I'm a survivor. So, as I come outside and I look around, I breathe in that super fresh February air. It's the month of love. We got to get excited about life. We got to go ahead and raise the vibration, raise that level of awareness on all areas of our life. And it's so peaceful right now. I really love the winter. This white snow looks amazing to the human eye. It's like the opposite. So you have a dark black, like a black panther in the Amazon with green eyes, and you have this like a blanket of white snow. It's so beautiful. And this brings me up to the next topic. What are we here for? The winter really brings a whole new element to life. A whole new contrast to summer. Because for me, I spent about 9 years in Florida, which I loved. However, now that I'm back in the 4 seasons, I really respect Mother Nature way more. And I learned so much about my own health, my own growth. And, you know, true health is really in the winter. When you can come outside and it's below freezing and you're a vegan or vegetarian, and be able to come out here and just completely tune everything out and just breathe that fresh, pure air. Yeah. More videos are coming soon. March is around the corner, and spring 2015 is looking super pristine. On the 19th of this week, February, it's a new moon, and I have the opportunity to go and look on a piece of land on Beach Road, close to Grandview Beach. 7.12 acre, 7 days a week, 12 disciples, 7.12 acres. I'm looking forward to it. I'm visualizing on it every day, every night. I know what I want in this life, and I know how to bring everything together with a property, with building codes, building permits, school licensing permits, a beautiful creative website that's easy for people to navigate all around the world. I pretty much have a lot of good friends throughout the Latin American countries, a really amazing friend from Japan, and then a lot of amazing people, of course, right here in my hometown, also Virginia, and throughout the United States of America. And then, you know, of course, have some people out there from Germany, from Europe, and some people from Uganda, my friend Paul, So it'd be really great to see this International School of Holistic Education to start catch fire and really bring something new to the table, bring something new to the classroom that has never really been done before, and especially not in the appropriate manner of the way that I have my set intentions and my set imagination, and this is where true masterpieces do come true. Visionaries always get it done. It doesn't matter how long it takes, they will get it done. That's a true visionary. To be able to lose it all and to come back, to take it all through love, all through compassion, all through peaceful, mindful meditation. I cannot stop and tell you enough how powerful peace is. I mean, look at Gandhi, look at Dr. Martin Luther King, look at so many, just type in peace activist jail or something. So many peace activists and peaceful protesters and meditationers have gotten in trouble with the law, but we as a society condone violence so much on TV, in our music, and I grew up in that culture, so I am guilty of it too. However, I've learned from that, and I don't want to be a part of that culture. It's time to create a new system. It's time to create holistic children, holistic teenagers who understand collectively what we need to do on planet Earth. At the same time, to understand and to be able to tap into his or her true passion, true talent, and true gift and strengths. And that's what the International School of Holistic Education is bringing to the table. It's being able to bridge so many amazing cultures together and languages and activities and the nutrition. And that is, in my opinion, one of the most key ingredients is the nutrition. I can tell the difference when I just have more cooked food after coming off a fast. Because whole foods like fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, seaweeds and grasses and flowers, all those things are loaded with enzymes, they're loaded with vitamins and minerals, and that definitely stimulates the brain, and of course right here in the third eye, or the pineal gland. And I can tell you that while there's so much dimethyltryptamine coming out, that it is quite an experience. And the more you get into nature, the more you get to tap into that field of energy. It's always here. We don't need anything external to tap into it. However, if we do, just go ahead and enjoy it a little bit more. But it's amazing to come off of a detox and a fast right now and start the rebuilding stage of getting more cardiovascular in, things like that. So everyone out there, have a beautiful day. As I always say, adios.